In Columbia today, the governor hosted a summit to help fight addiction and prevent overdoses in South Carolina.
70 State House reporter Caroline Yaffa has the details from the convention center and why some say this was needed.
The governor's event zeroed in on addiction data and the fight against opioids and other drugs that are impacting hundreds of thousands of people across South Carolina.
There are times when we just can't walk alone anymore, and we need to trust our peers and our partners to help us go through different circumstances.
It was a full house at the Columbia Metropolitan Convention Center. State leaders, law enforcement, and people who are recovering from addiction all came together to talk about ways to combat the addiction crisis.
When you get together, then you can solve the problem. So it's for many different reasons, it's a grand thing, and there are about 700 people in there.
Officials say more than 450,000 South Carolinians struggle with substance abuse and need immediate help. In 2023, the state reported more than 2,000 overdose deaths. To help, tables were set up at the summit to connect people with resources and support.
I think that this also gives a lot of people that are in beginning stages of addiction hope, because they're seeing people 5, 6, 10 years down the road what they've done with that and how they've catapulted their life through addiction.
It could happen to anyone. It doesn't matter, your education, your background, what your upbringing is like.
Cynthia Alvarez is a founder of an organization that helps women reach a safe haven. They could be recovering from addictions or dealing with other problems.
It's very important for them to learn, life skills. As you can see, there's a lot of things that they're learning to do to be, more independent. So they're entrepreneurs. They've made some shirts.
Alvarez struggled with addiction herself, and she thinks a big factor in people's struggles today is mental health.
As simple as, going and getting a dental procedure and getting prescribed, some narcotics for that.
I spoke with people in recovery who say events like this help them feel seen and supported, making a difficult road to recovery just a little easier. They say these resources are very important. In Columbia, Caroline Yaffa, 7 News.
Officials say help is available, and if you need it, reach out to the Department of Mental Health.